Today is the first day of 2026 and I'm cleaning my room. As you can see, it's so messy. My room is clothes dirty and stuff dirty. Let's get started! This is me making my bed. This is my dressing table. I'm organizing my cosmetics and some accessories. I'm wiping my cosmetic with wet cloths so that there won't be any dust. Now I'm putting some already ironed clothes into my wardrobe. Also, my wardrobe is kind of messy. I also need to clean that one. But not today. So my next vlog will be the wardrobe cleaning vlog. So if you want to see that vlog, subscribe to my channel. I'm putting some new clothes into the wardrobe bag and put the already worn clothes into the laundry basket. This is my desk where I study and work. It's so messy that there is no space left for me to put a laptop and study. I'm keeping the things in their respective places. I was cleaning the whole afternoon and it's already around 6 p.m. Here comes the final part of the cleaning. What I did was, I throw away the unnecessary things and keep the necessary things into their respective places. Subscribe!